Local woman who has been fighting to end breast cancer for decades is receiving national recognition for her life's work. Nancy Brinker is the founder of the Susan G. Komen Breast Cancer Foundation, which has raised billions of dollars across the world over the years.
Yeah, Brinker recently met with President Biden, in fact, to discuss strategies to end cancer across the nation. And today, she sat down with our Lexi Nahl to discuss her latest efforts to expand access to breast cancer screenings right here in Palm Beach County.
I've devoted my life to it, but because this is what I love to do.
Nancy Brinker has made it her life's mission to end breast cancer ever since her sister, Susan Komen, lost her battle in the 80s.
When my sister died and made me promise her that I would find a cure for this disease, I had nothing else to say except, of course, I would.
Brinker started the Susan G. Komen Breast Cancer Foundation to raise money for research and help educate people about the disease, even receiving a Presidential Medal of Freedom from President Obama and meeting with President Biden. But she says there's more to be done.
We made a lot of progress in awareness and in funding the kinds of drugs we have today that are keeping people with metastatic disease alive a lot longer. But it's more than that, and the more than that was the second promise I made to Susie, that no woman should go without care or be treated differently or ignored.
Nancy is now fulfilling that part of her promise with a new initiative called the Promise Fund of Florida, an organization that provides screenings for women who wouldn't normally have access because of finances, transportation issues, or other socioeconomic barriers.
If you're a woman living in an environment where you don't even have a steady job, how are you going to access care like this?
And Brinker says there's plenty of work to be done right here in our community. Florida has the second highest cancer burden in the nation. And with more than 15,000 women diagnosed annually in our state, Brinker says it's clear we're just not doing enough to educate women on screening and prevention.
It's a lack of education, and it's mostly cost, because we do not have a systemic approach to this, or did not in Palm Beach County before us.
The Promise Fund has partnered with community health centers like FoundCare to provide breast and cervical cancer screenings to thousands of underserved women in Palm Beach County. You can learn more about the Promise Fund and how to get involved or schedule a screening on our website, cbs12.com. For CBS 12 News, I'm Lexi Nahl.